Hey guys, it's Kristina here, and I thought I would film this video look for you. It's more so based off of my OG palette that I've been using for years now, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. I love this eye look. It's something that I kind of have been wearing a lot more frequently recently, if that makes sense. But yeah, and I like keeping my brows a little more on the natural side. I don't really like to cake on makeup. I tend to just stick to what I know, and yeah. By the way, I love this lip combo that I just put on. It's the, hold on, I'll get it for you. I'll show you exactly what it is. By the way, I love this bag. It is from St. Thomas and St. John and St. Croix in the Virgin Island, which is a place where I went to go visit my aunt, or technically she's my grandma, but anyways, this is a lip gloss that I got from a beauty store. It is the RK by Kiss, the Jellicious, I can't pronounce that, the Jellicious lip gloss in mango butter and acai berry, and this is cotton candy. It tastes and smells just like cotton candy, and I love cotton candy. If you know, then you know. I would actually really like, growing up, that was probably the one sweet thing that I actually liked, because I hate ice cream and all that stuff. And this is the Absolute New York Velvet Lippy. It's literally called Velvet Lippy. A buttery matte lip cream in rosewood. If you guys are fans of Pretty Little Liars, I think that's a really cool thing. So yeah, I just figured I would show you guys what I do for this look, and it's more so something that I would wear when I go out. Like if I'm going to hang out with my best friend, we go out somewhere, probably the eye look that I will do. Granted, some days I'm just like, I really can't be bothered, but I figured I would film this, and I really like it. It's a little more on the dramatic side, I guess, because of the eye colors, but if I'm being honest, it did come out very, very vibrant with the orange, but I was gonna work with it. And if you want to see how I got it, then please keep watching. Each other's heart. It's a cold-blooded
Photos on the wall, inside my head, inside of me. Holding all these thoughts beneath my skin. Can you believe in all?
each other's heart. It's a cold-blooded ride.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to give it a big thumbs up, as well as follow me on all my social media accounts, and make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications down below. Post notifications because you want to know when I'm going to post a video, because I have something really cool that I'm going to be working on for May, so make sure you guys are prepared for that. And yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!